Okay, let's just look at one more example. So here we have to solve the equation log base x 4x minus 3 equals to 2. Let me just write down the equation below my definition. Okay, so because we're using this definition to solve again, so log base x 4x minus 3 equals to 2. Again, we can use this. So now, right, our m is our 4x minus 3, so 4x minus 3 here is equals to a to the power of n, so which is x squared. So let's rewrite it over here to present our working nicely. Okay, so 4x minus 3 equals to x squared. So now you see that we have a logarithmic equation at the start, and we actually change it to a quadratic equation. So now, right, let's just solve this quadratic equation and see what's going to happen. So I'm going to move the terms around so that I get this very nice form ax squared minus bx plus bx plus c, which I can then factorize it to become x minus 3 x minus 1 equals to 0, and then we get our x is equals to 3 or x is equals to 1. Okay, so we have two solutions, x equals to 3 or x equals to 1. We have to always check back to our original equation and see whether our solution makes sense or not. Actually, we've done that for certs also, if you realize. So for certs, right, we also have to sub our solutions back to check. So now let's check. If our x is equals to 3, if our x is equals to 3, our left hand side of the equation would be log base 3 4 bracket 4 times 3 minus 3. So this will then give log base 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. And again, this will give us 2, which is equals to the right hand side. So this is okay. So x equals to 3 is okay. But what if x is 1? If x equals to 1, then our left hand side would be log base 1. 4 times 1 minus 3. Okay, even without writing this, right, I know I have a problem already. The problem is this. Let me just highlight the problem. This is the problem. This is a big problem. Because remember, for a log to be defined, we have some condition. So for log base a n, right, we have a few conditions. So let me just erase this. Okay, for our log base a n, note that our a, right, has to be positive, and also a cannot be equals to 1, which here we are actually violating it already. So we have to say something. We have to say something which is to reject it. So here, right, we have to reject x equals to 1, since log base 1 for 1 minus 3 is undefined. So let's go back to our solution to just present it. So here we have to reject this. Okay, it's good to write your reason. So your reason is because our log base 4 times 1 minus 3 is undefined. So we are done. So our solution is just x equals to 3.